wang ignon behem tu nakulat along nangli tumapan isi birta kimi labang so behem tu nakulat along nangli tum computer pen cheng loke nangli tum kenang sota sona mung do anta long ponji lapen computer online service lason si pan card apply ka certificate apply lapen kaprek kapachok ponjewar sai sistemi nangli tum long pon iji jong si nangli tum ijoy ke nangjia phan pulute la ber kipi mobile number along humri ignon 9957159956 lapen 8638023394
Aprangsi nili public TV Karbi Anglong channel ahin pen kadu kawe phanta kardom pa jirelo kardom pinya Adap Abirta long pen nili sami manai teron milik pi aprangsi birta angkong pi
arta ki jum hek arlo so kangbo alam ki puthot ke khlang thu Karbi Anglong la pen hojai district ahoy along lialong airport ki bi ponji along ratatum kachuningri difu rong so pialong hem prek aputhak John press meet kang nipon
non birtang tonpen arjupon iktha
arta ki jum hek arlo so kangbo alam ki puthot ke khlang thu non malom arlo so kangbo alam ki pusitame kai ki tame judun e plengun e lason si manim be pia phan inut sunir teron puabang phu kat ponjui nijang Karbi Anglong lakha troxi kopili constituency ke parlo kheronin nihang arong amekar sunir teron abang phu inut arta ki jum hek anim so pia phan kat inhu ponjui lapen labang so supi arta we pinlang pining si ningkan kritrok wetlang pusi apia popen nang thanang pachini dun lapen sunir teron pu abang phulake inut aso bang pia sarmar amunit lo puta than pachini pon labang so supi hempen avedata jok apia potum pusitame kheroni police station along pusitame lamhoya lo pidamlo sita pini anta klarda kalam nang than nang pachini ne lang pusi aro so apia potum pen than nang pachini du News Desk Report Public TV Karbi Anglong.
Ini nali tung dak tok ek nomor tok hat dia lo kat news pen nali tung nang kahumri pen milita anse nali tung panang churu tu parlo ama sini like thanji jal ang deng ke pan pading dilo ama katumi ditu kakuti det au supi asupu tung panalam si thanto dasi nilitung ahok lo nilitung aju hangbong si nilitung khobor da kelong so long det pen api nilitung pungjam pungji pen nilitung je kokson ke claim si kimi ma ke chogi ma nilitung bor ilo la suka bor i along pen nilitung kes atung khanta nilitung ingthese niwet pu thanam si donai dam lo je au su pipen au su putung na puson si ke damji puta alang tung planning do amo sinang tung prabjin pen nilitung khan la sunang ko muri pidunji phan bana palong pidunji phanang tung sondaga bar sainang claim pidun thap nilitung chungri dam lo apen puthot thuak aku nilitung dak pen chewang thusi aku hem chewang lo aku ting nilitung chingwa ching sai thulo lapu ke chok chilo kiri dun tarit itung ke thek thek bang kona tung ke duini kona tung ke damji lo ni kang putan de ke la tung ke bang an se ke pa jogi amasi itung ke bidiwe avidel lo po itung lapu gari lo pusin nilitung aku chema thatu pen nilitung thana bang itung aku FIR pidam thulo asi so FIR pidam along pen sam piniam ta result bang mong lela ipidam towe nilitung ধরক আজুসি পিদাম নিলতুং 10-11 বাজি সনা পড়লো আকর বাং সাবসো দাম অংচের লহে স্টামি নিলতুং হান পিনি আনকে ইনসন বাকা রিজাল্ট কে নাং পিনাই মা পুসি নিলতুং চে মাথা স্টামি নন তা থাং খবর দাবে লাসিলা নিলিতুং নন নিলি নাং চু নিলি দুন কাং তুং mang lahalo nang tung kat niusa hin pen স্টামি un ano bang nang tung niltung phan la so su pi pen au su ko phan nang ban pi thek ji phan ba nang pa klang thek ji phan nang tung phan nili nang chu nili dun thulo asi anjo se kes e tung phan stami aku nili chu nili thu par ji Asu pidung phan jate je nang palong piduni phan bang alang litung sistem aja kong orang tang pidun somte pusini li tunen di tupar lo. Tamat ni
langsung FIR bang ko so thana long ni pi.
Dak kheroni long si pilot ni leto. Kheroni thana long si. Dak si FIR pidam lo. Asi ene ke alang litung nang si puduna teng ke location pen si alang tung ke trans bolam lo ya. So location bang nonta long lelang. hala so switch off cheka joy nema location long lang pun ta se than bom lang he to sinili hin bangalam to se tuning ri lo je tun an lan se mane kapa prap ji phan ta so su pi pen au su pu phan nga palong pi dun ji phan snel tung KarbiNews hen pen stamina tuning ri tu tu lo
Unil tero sarhon pasinang cethan iglo sarhon poma nili tumake phelang pi bang igruklo hala so sarhon nili tumake dam igrong lo engka hala so sarhon bang nang cethak don iglo nili pane chingki iglong le nili ken hok ta tette nili son ka cheplang i bang ali amat la so sarhon teron nang nang lo nili kali amala sarhon teron nang nang lo nili le ko pete la so ko pete le ka chingki ma mat akor ar lo so bang nang khanong kulo api so bang ladak aterona banglu benglu dami putikipu amat dak campaign ang kolai bangke benglu sedami putikipu amat ape ari ang son anta arlo sobang yang rimpi dulang apek ta akalar ta kilir amat dampo non ke suklem apa me pokai ni hal tua lake nona bangke tangka hadat taban po suklem apa me pupusi arlo sobangke sut pensi postake ram dunsi kilo dunsi Kasika pada amat pundak punang le tang ho ni li bang ke risit dun talong le kumalong ne punang kile nya mau tu kilong ke punang kile pu ke ni li tu mang ke soke idam tu lo ni tu mana ke long le ka ka tu ken apor amat dang khai lo tok ke ma be ke ni li tu han ba ke non ba ka long pi ti pek na ko ni ka apo bo ke chibo cheklo joni vele cheklo joni ta bi ikchat le apo ke chida la pa an to kasi arta bia uto hati nona kopia lon tela na ceplang tiga la paan ke nang ceplang ke nang nilin abang ke tu lo aro kelas 9 belang kapure kelas 9 belang ti rung chodang masih alang lipon ida po apin subhanta au supi hanta nili phane nang pat theklong bek nang pono nama
narong tela ha
tokhadi ek lombor MBBS doktor rong lo lake ho
Karbi Anglong la pen hojai district ahoy along lialong airport kibi ponjialong ratatum kachuningri kidam tang ong dungar ni pen rong rup kachukim tang mate ke dobari matum pen kachuningri pon alam the nilitum hemrit khiti miti tharwe jang phong pen chenglok ke longle phelangan takana hokdun dokokpu lasi nilituma phan ke compensation mate longle phelanganam abang ke tangka nang pipon nangji pusi pini hadak ke do arada tumpen chuningri pon ringti atheke halada ke do karbi pen chenglok kaprek akhei chelang si nilitum untik chepaduk pen non ke do ke thakadim ta chelang mi muchotlo la sopor hujong si kisung thunang jilang polote kiduk anpar kiduk po lasi sarkar hin pen nilituma phan ke tangka nang pipon nangji pusi halada arada tumpen chuningri non alang litum pen alam thele arjupon itha
ni tum nadak tong sekot pen jasmit kang ni nangkok athige dap kan lo hitum nadak kang ararong mane khangal busti bu bangkai deng khangal busti bola pasi non nang tum ni tum tong sekot pen phrang ke mai pharang nang tum jasmit putung cha tong don bon nang tum man kurang thu pa jir lo tapi ni tum dak acha rung lok ma teng pa dak airport nang bi pu pen nang song tok tum ekor tetok los ni tum chedon no poi phisita ni tum da kang arang ande khangal bosti ta so ria long ni tum kadu ko pen ni tum hak ke cheng pen du pen si ni tum 2011 nam pen nang du cheng lo ni tum da dang dong cheng pen ni tum dak bang khai pen ki duk ki sung sami tum charsi lo la so pen ni tum dak GPS mari la so teng pen ni tum along le area chilong lo tung rong area chilong lo aso rong area long maga ne 12,337.50 bikas along le dak ni tum manang pilo dake 50% ke forest land lo 50% ke NC area lo e man forest tum clear nang pilo jadi asal NC lah ya so ria itu menang pilo yang kila so pen ang bong pam non song tung kache tok kateng ben airport dang bilo 8,000 bikha ke airport tum pon lo so 8,000 bikha airport tum pon det ben tame non ke do thulang egane 3,350 bikhas ke dolang laso ke dolang along mangke ni tum dak ke 200 tum metuni peng ke do tum itum ke do pathik plung tum kece ke bedamen itum laso ala border na chokning pen kache rai tum han tum han la konsira so tum tamila den ni tum han jin so ra so 3,350 bikha bangke ni tum han dak ke du ke sungara than si nak panong pinang po nitum gadak ahok bang airport yang bilo nitum dak nitum thang ni stop pe nitum thang na pupe lapen na nitum dak ke dwara tatum along le right bang ka chelong po athema tharwe yang phong do kuwe bagan do hemred do laso kalukson adam bang ke nitum han daso arait bang ke nitum han dak ke dong ke do atum han nang pipon nangi pasi nitum na kanga rong mate kangal busti laso iria noni tum dola so ronga saru basar kado we bangka chuningri kumiti hoy bangka chuningri ke ni tum laso right bangke nang jinso borani tum han asap subet tame la ene hemri khanang kan hok piri bitum kan hok bangke nang pipo nang gi besi konsil along kachari pon ke the ke ding tum han tame ditum chuningri pon ni di rada karong Kiklem mangke nili pan nang pek mono tu thalian 17 penir pan ada presiden al punang pek bolon ini non puda ilang nini mendoran kro rapem dak sekretari ya kacala dulu setame ni di presiden ke non puda ni iri relang di do tips sedalang ni di bang khai bang jepong cocok theng dami ni di pusidun kung kwa ni jepong tak Nui tum hanyong se pion pi boleh ni tum mengadakan thora ko thekhet pa. Koson ni tum tholang ni tum kuda sedu dang na sedam lang. Long le ka bi arat sai de sin tum takadu. Aposi ni tum tame di fichiru du bi pachiru de khalo. La sindang kang hon ka jin sopen la konsir ka chari tum tame CME MMP ni tum tame na chunung ri ka chunung ri pangke la no. Rap jin ba na me ni tum han. Pini son abar sai ke na pi bani la pen. Kaching ki ji than na me na hang te son sini tum ga chunung ri la.
Difu rongso pialong hem prek aputhak John Press Meet kang nipon. NC Hill West Karbi Anglong lapen Karbi Anglong District ke thom chilangsi patumi difu rongso pialong John Press Meet kang nipon. Labangso Press Meet kang nipon nang kok alam theki RG ding krui pen ratkar I article 244 ahem prek kang thim kemang non por ni anta Assam Sarkar lapen India Sarkar atum aphong nang ka chong thoya posi piniani John Press Meet kadupon nang koklo. Alang litumpen kaning jipon alam thele arjupon ikha. News Desk Report Public TV Karbi Anglong.
Himasa Student Union, Karbi Adorpar, Karbi Risto Adorpar, Karsa, Tiwa, Dorpar, and Kuya, which are purely non-political social organizations and fully committed for full implementation of the provision under the Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. It is very urgent need to highlight the following facts that the organizations strictly adhere while demanding for the autonomous state under the provision of the Karbi, under the provision of the Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. The Kanchas Nikom and its allies are purely non-political social organizations which are fully committed for the implementation of the Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. The Kanchas Nikom and its allies have been spearheading the movement since 1986 in mass peaceful and democratic process without threat. The Kanchas Nikom and its allies are not the hegemony of any political party as well as for the interest of any political party, but only for the interest of the Hills Tribe of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Hills District and the Mahasal Autonomous Hills District in particular, and the people of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Hills District and the Assam Autonomous Hills District of Assam in general. The demand movement led by the Kanchas and its allies are not election-oriented and politically motivated, because the Kanchas and its allies are being purely non-political social organization. The organization recently had submitted a memorandum to Amit Shah, Honorable Union Home Minister, Government of India on 31st July 2023 at Parliament Office, New Delhi, for full implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. On this particular program, Mr. J.I. Kathar, IAS, retired, and a president of the APHLC All Party Youth Leaders Conference, have brought some allegations against the organization that visiting of New Delhi and meeting with Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah is only for the victory of the forthcoming parliamentary election in 2034 are totally biased, baseless, and politically motivated. So, we strongly condemn for such allegations, which are nothing but a political gimmick before the forthcoming parliamentary election, just to undermine the popular demands of the Hills tribes and the general people of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Hills District and the Mahasau Autonomous Hills District of Assam, India. The organization appealed to both the non-political parties and the original political parties, including various non-political organizations and both the Hills tribal people and the general people of Karbi Anglong Hills District, West Karbi Anglong Hills District and the Mahasau Autonomous Hills District of Assam to extend full cooperation for immediate full implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. Juthai, Kardom, Namaskar, Dr. Timu, General Secretary, Karbi Student Association. In addition to BJP National League, about the commitment, about the promises that the BJP leaders, national leaders, have issued to the people of Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau. Mr. L.K. Advani, the Honorable L.K. Advani, one of the senior-most BJP leader, national leaders, who had issued to the people of Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau on 28 September 2008 at Hotel Brahmputra in Guwahati. And apart from that, Mr. Rajnath Singh also, the 10th National President of BJP, on 7th of December 2008, in a public meeting, he also issued that if BJP comes to power, Article 244A of the Indian Constitution, which is a state within a state, autonomous state, he took great Kuribo Karne. They have issued the people of Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau. And even the Nitin Gadkari, the Union Road Transport Minister, he is also one of the senior and national leader of the BJP. Issued the people of Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau that Article 244A will be granted if BJP comes into power. And accordingly, the people, the innocent general mass people of the Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau has voted in favor of BJP. Now, the Mahasau Autonomous District is also full of BJP. Karbi Anglong Autonomous District is also full of BJP. We have given 5 MLAs to BJP. We have given 1 MP to BJP. Now the time has come for the BJP to return back what they have promised us, to return back in system like give and take. We have given a lot to BJP. আমি BJP ভোট দিলো, আমি আপনি মই BJP ভোট নিদিলো, কাৰ্বি আংলং আৰু ডিমা হাছাও মানুহটো দিছে না, সেইটো এতিয়া ৰিটাৰ্ণ কৰিব কাৰণে টাইম আহিব। Now the time has come for the government of India, for the government of Assam to return back the gift that we have given to you. আমি আপোনালোকক ভোট দিলো, বহুত মাদত কৰিলো, এতিয়া আপোনালোকৰ টাইম আহি গ'ল আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে। Please create autonomous state. Please give us the long-standing demand that we have been demanding. Otherwise, we have another option also. আমি ইমান বছৰ পৰা Kajasnikom and KRA, Karsa and Kuya has been demanding since long. We have been demanding since we have been staging dharna in Dipu, in Guwahati, in Delhi since long, but no response so far. No positive response so far. Therefore, we under the leadership of Sir Ajit Timung, Honorable President Kajasnikom, we have met the Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah and submitted that particular memorandum, and that particular memorandum also will be given to you all. Therefore, the time has come for the BJP to fulfill your promise. Otherwise, we have another option also. And through this platform, we would also like to appeal the government of India and the government of Assam to kindly resume the talks that you already have with the Kajasnikom and Karsa, KSA and Kuya at DSU immediately. We already had talks with the government of India, and now we would like to appeal the government of India and the government of Assam to kindly resume that particular talks. Otherwise, we have another option also. Thank you.
Pinya Adap Abirta bangke lapan si kang ton iglo kaduk kawea phanta adap keme arni keme dome thak me kardom.